Hi everyone, it's Eva. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I am super late this week with this plan with me. And here I'm showing you the kit that I'm using today. I wanted to go with that wintry kit from Planner Choco, but it's raining. It's been raining for the past couple of days here in Central California. So I went with a rainy day kit from Stuck On You Designs, and I'm starting with the bottom washi. And the bottom washi, it's very plain, it's unique, it's very plain, and it looks like it was pulled out of a book page. So I am going to put a strip of washi from Simply Gilded, and I think this washi went perfect with the full boxes and the colors of the leaves and such. So I wanted to use it and thought, why not throw it in the middle of the washi strip? Here I'm also showing you this splicing tool that I purchased on Amazon, and I couldn't get the hang of it, so you'll see me later just decide to tear off the washi strip with just the ruler. Now I'm going to start with my full boxes, and I couldn't figure out how to, or where should I say, to place the quote box. So here you see me referring back and forth to my first spread. And I'm also going to take the Simply Gilded, it's a smaller washi. You'll see me pulling a smaller one and using it as my header. And this is where you'll see me fidget with that splice tool. I couldn't get it to cut, so I did a really bad job. And there at one point I just yanked the washi strip, which is like, don't do that. But anyhow, all is good. And I'm just going to continue on with the sidebar there. And continue on with the rest of my full boxes. This kit isn't glossy, I didn't mention that. And I decided to use this kit because we've been getting rain here in Central California. And we hardly ever get rain. We were in a serious drought. So I figured if I don't use it now, I don't know when I'm going to use it. So I've been hoarding it for a year, and I figured, gotta get it down. So here I'm going to take all of my full boxes and just place them down kind of like in a diagonal. So finally got the full boxes the way I wanted them placed. Now I'm going to take the check boxes and put them down for Monday through Friday only, because I solemnly use them for work purpose. and any things that I need to do around the house. And here I just cut off everything from where I'm putting down the headers because I'm not used to this Erin Condren at all. So it took me forever to place these down. So I just figured I'd spare you guys and just kind of cut it down to spare you some time. Here I'm unsure why I didn't finish off the weekend with the headers, so I'll come back to that later, and I'm just going to go ahead and start working on my sidebar. I'm going to take an important, I think it was an important or personal label and or header, should I say, and I'm going to use that to track my social media and things I need to do on Instagram, followed by a habit tracker. Had a brain fart there. A habit tracker for my vitamins, and I'm going to put in a quarter box just to remind myself of anything that comes up. And now I'm ready to go in with my day by day, taking an exclamation point and reminding myself that I have a meeting very early in the morning, or actually first thing in the morning. No, I lied. It's at 11:45. I'm then going to take a half box and mark down my giveaway deadline. I had a giveaway on my Instagram for an Erin Condren, for some Erin Condren goodies that I wasn't going to use. So I had a giveaway going on, and that was my deadline. Just a reminder to myself to pick a winner. And taking another half box and marking a late start day for my eldest. Every other week, school starts late. And it's also my Starbucks day. So I actually ran across some script stickers from Seattle Kangaroo, and I just love the way she created her stickers with the different fonts. So I messaged her and I asked her if she could make me some custom ones using the same fonts that she used, and that was my custom, a Starbucks day. So I had to notate that. And then I was working on an order from my shop, and it's a non-sticker related shop, so I also had to notate and remind myself that I needed to work on that because it needed to get shipped. I'm taking a icon sticker, actually a script sticker from Plan with Anna. She no longer has these, which I'm pretty bummed, but they were some foiled circular script stickers, bill due stickers, and to mark that I had a bill due. And my weekend banner with another bill due for another credit card that I needed to make a payment on. And I also, these are new purchases that I haven't even hauled, but these camera stickers are from Sweet Bella XOXO. And I didn't realize that I took the wrong icon. I ordered the camera for Instagram and I ordered an Etsy sticker with the floral, and they're so gorgeous. I just drooled all over them. But I marked down that I was going to get a payment from Etsy and never realized that I put the camera down instead of the Etsy icon. So I never caught that, and it's still sitting in my planner the way you see it right now. So, and I'm sorry for that thread that's just lingering there in the background. Now that I see it, it's just driving me crazy. But the order that I worked on, I had to use fabric. So there's that thread just hanging out. And here I'm working on the date covers. And I don't like that January 2018 that's up there. I was kind of contemplating whether I wanted to trim these down, but I didn't want to go through the hassle and I just didn't want to deal with it. So you'll see me white out the January 2018 up on the top. And she didn't have any, what are these called? Banners or tags, or I can't think right now, you guys. But I took a washi strip and I just cut it down to cover those banners. So that is pretty much it for my spread. I hope you enjoy it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and see you in my next video. Have a great week. Bye.